So hello friends, what's up? Welcome to a new video. Here we have the Dominar 400. This is a new version. So I have also recorded the green color version that is inside. So this is the Bajaj showroom in Vasai East, and this is the grey color model. So there are a few changes in the 2009 model. As you see, the suspension is inverted, as well as the disc brake is on the other side. Before it was on the other side, it was on the right hand side. Now it is on the left hand side, the front disc brake. Other than that, the price also has been increased. Also the firing has been changed. I'll be soon showing you the firing change. It now sounds like the KTM, somewhat sounds like the KTM. Overall the color looks fantastic. This looks like a Batman bike, to be honest. So just let me know what you think in the comment section. There are few other changes that are minor, like the mirrors have been changed. You can see there are a bit different mirrors. Yeah, we have the older model. So I'll be showing you more clips, also showing you the firing. So I'm just going to sit on the bike so that you get to know how it looks once you sit on the bike. Okay. So it will mean as a gear indicator. Before the gear indicator was not available, now it is on neutral. And here there's the kill switch. देख सकते हो कैसा लग रहा है. Yes, and so you can see that the sound is quite louder than the previous model. It is quite aggressive. The bhp has been increased from 35 to 40 bhp, so you can say that the power has been increased. So I'll just give a raise and show you how it sounds. So I'm pressing the clutch. It's looking as if the bike is just going to take off, literally. So as you know, the Dominar 400 has been known for its touring capabilities. It is a semi-sports bike with a lot of touring capabilities for long rides. It is very suitable. So bros, there are some few minor other changes. Here you can see that there is a D symbol. First I thought that maybe it's some damage done, but it's not. Also over here there is a tank guard sticker. So what do you think, man? Just tell me in the comments. Soon we'll be starting that other Dominar, which is the older version. We will compare and show you how it sounds. Actually there are a lot of dust in the bikes over here because, you know, the place where I'm staying is a bit dusty. Even if you wipe it every day, it will still accumulate dust. So here you can see this is the older version. It has a single exhaust, and over here we have another which is a dual exhaust. So the dual exhaust looks fantastic. So the new bike is priced around 2,18,000. So 2,18,000 with ये on road price है, right? Meaning including all taxes, everything. So 2,18,000, and जूना मॉडल अभी बिल्कुल बंद होगा. So everything is looking similar to the old bike except for few changes. Also it's available in the green color that I've shown you. So just let me know what you think. We are soon going to compare it to the other Dominar to compare the firing. So here we are starting the old Dominar. So you can see that this sound is a bit less aggressive, whereas the new one is quite louder and that is quite aggressive. This is sounding like a Pulsar, whereas that is sounding somewhat like a KTM. This is somewhat to the quieter side. This आप सुन सकते हैं, somewhat like KTM. थोड़ा बहुत KTM Duke जैसा आवाज़ आ रहा है ना अभी. पहला ऐसा आवाज़ नहीं आता. तो दोस्तों जैसे आपने देखा, the Dominar 400 is almost like a super bike. It has amazing features. It has upside down front suspension. It has new mirrors. It has new side for the front brake, and it has gear indicator and much more. It has 40 bhp of power. So just let me know what you think in the comment section. I'm excited for your comments. Peace out, take care. So I'll be soon trying to make a ride review on this bike. Just let me know in the comment section. ठीक है, बर के comment कीजिए. So the best comment will be featured in the next video, and hopefully you all will win a giveaway. So anyways, peace out, take care. See you in the next video. Peace out.